According to Oxford Language Online Dictionary, CUCK, cuck, it means a weak or servile or servile? Yeah, probably servile. A weak or servile man. A man whose wife is sexually unfaithful. A cuckold.
Cuckold, yeah.
Cuckold. Cuckold.
Because before I thought cuckolds, they're enjoying having their wives have other sexual or romantic relationships besides them.
No, because you're saying that being a cuckold, the husband is fantasizing or
Not
okay,
really just enjoying it.
just enjoying
yeah.
it.
He's not promoting it, but
Yeah.
he's enjoying it. Not just okay, he's enjoying it. Not to the level of fantasizing it, but that's what I thought of before. But it amalgamated to something being weak
Yeah. Servile.
or just being cheated on. Get cheated on, you're a cuck.